how to activate check deposit on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can activate check deposit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate check deposit on Cash App, all you have to do is simply first of all launch Cash App and make sure that you're signed into the account. Tap on the home icon from the bottom left of the screen and you will see this type of interface where under more ways to add money you'll find checks. Now if you don't see check deposit option, there could be a couple of reasons. Maybe your Cash App account is not verified, or maybe that, let's say, you are not eligible for check deposit because you have not linked your bank account, or maybe don't have enough funds. So once you make sure you have done all this process, you'll find the checks option here, and then you'll be able to deposit your check by scanning the front side as well as the back side over there, and then you'll be able to approve and deposit check on Cash App. This way you can enable check deposit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.